Hi guys! Tara samahan niyo kaming tikman ang newest restaurant here in Baguio City. Let's go guys! And finally, after 30 minutes from the city, nakarating na rin kami dito sa Balay, Inasal. At ayan, spacious yung parking nila. Pwede kayong mag-park sa baba at yung restaurant ay nasa taas. Come on, let's go! And guys, ito naman yung interior ng restaurant with a nice view. Very cozy, malinis, and excited na kaming mag-food trip. Let's go! And kung hindi pa nga kayo makadecide kung anong o-orderin nyo, pwede muna kayo mag-sightseeing dito sa kanilang veranda with a nice view of Baguio City. For appetizer, we ordered chicharong bulaklak, and yan yung view nila sa labas. Okay, let's try.